integral cosine of 5x plus 5x to the 3.5 plus 8 over 1 plus x squared dx. Okay, so we can break each of these up. I'll say dx here, integral dx here, integral dx there. And the idea is we're going to look at them each individually, which is what we're going to do. And they don't seem too bad each. So I'm just going to start from the left, work my way to the right. So for cosine, I know that cosine kind of looks like this, where it starts at 0 and goes up. And that tells me that the derivative of, that's kind of the mnemonic I use to find the derivative of x equals cosine of x. Basically, what I'm concerned with here is the sine of cosine of x. And so if the derivative of sine of x equals cosine of x, then going the opposite direction, the integral of cosine of x will be positive sine of x. So derivative this way, integral that way, integral of cosine of x equals positive sine of x. So this is going to be positive sine of 5x over 5. And over 5 there, it's going to be basically the chain rule. If you took the derivative of this, you would get an extra 5 on the outside, and this would cancel that 5. The way you can do it in a more formal manner is do a u substitution, where you say u equals 5x, and then figure it out that way. But after you do this, 6, 7, 20,000 times, you're like, oh, I see where this is going. So sine of 5x over 5 plus 5x, I'm going to call this the 4.5, which is the power rule. 4.5 over x to the 4.5 over 4.5, not too bad. And then this one, you just kind of have to know it. I'm going to factor out the 8, and then we're left with 1 over 1 plus x squared, which I know is arctangent of x. You'll also see this written as tangent to the inverse of x, because it's the inverse tangent. I don't like to write it this way just because that gets confused with 1 over tangent of x, or cotangent of x, which is different. So, because this means an inverse, not a negative exponent. That's why I say arctangent of x. And then we just do plus c. And you could probably simplify things a little bit here. It could be like, well, this is 10 over 9. Whatever. So, but I would leave it like this. Very, very straightforward. This answer. So this one wasn't too bad. Reasonably straightforward. You just work, from left to right and just go through each step. Not too bad. So hope this helped. See you in the next one.